If you need to remove a device from your Varo account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate the necessary actions to successfully remove a device. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the menu or settings icon, usually found in the upper corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Security or Device Management. Select this option to view the devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. You will see a list of devices currently associated with your Varo account. Identify the device you wish to remove and tap on it for more options. Step 5. Confirm device removal. After selecting the device, look for an option to remove or unlink it. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the device is successfully removed from your account. Once you have completed these steps, the device should no longer have access to your Varo account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Varo customer support for further assistance.